and welcome to my Inkscape playlist. I thought it's a good idea to work through the newest version. In 365 days I'm gonna teach you what a beginner should know, and if you work through that playlist one video at a time, you will have learned not just the basics, the absolute basics, but certainly also some intermediate stuff, and you will definitely know your way around Inkscape, and then you can use it to create vector designs. If you don't know, Inkscape is a free software, so it's open source. You can download it and use it without any cost. And in simple terms, it's the free version of Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to switch from these costly Adobe programs to free stuff, Inkscape is a good tool to know. I already have an older version installed here, 1.4. You can see that under Help and About. But you can also see that below there is a link given, and that is inkscape.org. This is the official link, and I would advise you, if you want to install Inkscape, then go there and not to some third party, some weird other website. Here you can be sure on inkscape.org that you're not going to get a virus. Just go to download here, use the current stable version. In our case, that's now 1.4.3. Navigate to this side and then click here if the download doesn't start on its own. It should be an MSI file, pretty big, so it might take 2 or 3 minutes until you've got it. But once you've got it, you can use it. In some cases, you have to uninstall the old version though. For me, that's actually the case, so let me do that. I've got my old Inkscape version uninstalled. Then I can use this MSI file, just double click, set a folder for it, and then we're good to go. Let me restart Inkscape. So you should have an icon now on your desktop to double click on it. And here we have it. Let me go to Help and About once more. And you can see this now the latest version that I've just installed, 1.4.3. This is what we're going to start with in this Learn Inkscape in 365 days playlist. I hope you're with me. I'm going to make these videos somewhat daily. In normal weeks, there will be at least 5 new videos about Inkscape. And then after around 1.5 years, we will be done with this playlist and have, as I've said, the basics and a little bit of intermediate stuff covered. By the way, you will also find this download link to inkscape.org in the video description. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.